In this video, we listed the 5 best handheld vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Black+Decker Handheld Vacuum. The Black+Decker Hand Vacuum is a cordless and lightweight cleaning tool designed for quick and easy cleanups. It features a bagless design with a 10.99-ounce dust bowl capacity, making it ideal for quick cleanups and spills. The 8-volt battery-powered vacuum offers 15 AW suction power and comes with an onboard crevice tool, washable filter, and wall-mount-based charger for convenient storage and charging. Its portable and translucent dirt bowl design allows for easy use and maintenance, making it suitable for all floor surfaces. Number 2. Bissell CleanView Cleaner. The Bissell Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and lightweight cleaning tool designed to effectively pick up pet hair from various surfaces such as carpets, hardwoods, upholstery, and hard floors. It features a quick-release extension wand for convenient above-floor cleaning, swivel steering for easy maneuverability, and specialized pet tools for reaching dirt and pet hair in hard-to-reach places. The vacuum also includes a pet turbo eraser tool and 2-in-1 dusting brush plus crevice tool, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. Additionally, every purchase of the Bissell vacuum supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Number 3. Shark CH701 Vacuum. The Shark CH701 Cyclone Pet Handheld Vacuum is a portable and lightweight cleaning solution with spotless cleaning capabilities. It features hypervelocity suction for deep cleaning performance, a washable foam filter, and a large dust cup for extended cleaning sessions. This cordless vacuum is powered by a rechargeable 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery and comes with a pet extract hair tool and an 8-inch crevice tool for versatile cleaning options. With USB charging capability, this compact and powerful vacuum is ideal for on-the-go cleaning, making it a convenient choice for carpet surfaces. Number 4. Bissell AeroSlim Vacuum. The Bissell cordless hand vacuum is a compact and convenient cleaning tool that is powered by a 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery, providing up to 12 minutes of cordless cleaning power. It comes with a washable filter and includes a crevice tool, brush, USB charging cable, and battery. The vacuum is designed for on-the-go cleaning and is compact enough to store, clean, and charge in a car or office. The sleek design fits into any space with its modern aesthetic and integrated tool storage and stand. Additionally, every Bissell purchase helps save pets, as Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Number 5. Bissell Cordless Hand Vacuum. The Bissell Cordless Hand Vacuum is a compact and portable cleaning solution that is perfect for quick cleanups in your car or office. It features a washable filter and comes with a crevice tool and brush for versatile cleaning. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 12 minutes of cordless cleaning power, and the vacuum can be conveniently charged with the included USB charging cable. Additionally, purchasing a Bissell product supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. With a sleek design and integrated tool storage, this hand vacuum is a convenient and stylish cleaning tool for any space.